Talk currencies. We really better talk quick, man.
That's right. My man, Mr. Teddy Kekstadt from Forex-Trading-Unlocked. You can reach Teddy there every trading day, folks. That website is Forex-Trading-Unlocked. Teddy Kekstadt, what's going on, brother?
Morning, guys.
Morning, Teddy.
Currency's a little bit quiet after yesterday's Brexit vote, huh?
Oh, that was so cool, right?
Yeah.
The whole lead up throughout the day, and then even the dynamic. You found me sitting in here watching the Bloomberg, and Teddy, he wanted the live stream back on with all, like, the indice data, and I said, I'm sitting here watching the live feed of what's going on over at Brexit, man, and they had the live updates every 15, 20 seconds. They voted down the 3 amendments, and then it's pretty interesting. It was.
Sure.
So, and of course, the pound hit its low right at 2:30 Eastern time and then took off like a rocket ship.
Oh, my God, did that bounce, huh?
Yeah, it did. It did. So, let's start with the pound. What do you think we're there?
I think right now the pound, it's still going to be a bull. I think a day like yesterday was obviously news-driven, so that's why you had the volatility.
Yeah.
But as a whole, I think that right now, even though the dollar seems to have a nice little correction of strength for the dollars against most of the currencies, I think that it's not going to hold, So I think as a whole, the pound is going to continue to find it's at least if the dollar rallies against other currencies, the pound is going to hold up. It's not going to break that hard anymore.
Yeah, it looks like 132, man. I agree because that's the second or third rejection we got in the last 3 weeks in that pound.
It's amazing it happened literally as they started voting.
That second.
And not that you knew, but every expectation was that it was going to exactly unfold as it did.
Right.
And still there was that type of a reaction.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. So, and then right now you see the euro, how it's slipping against the dollar too. Like, I see that as just a bearish correction. As a whole, I think that the euro, it's just looking for a little support base because it's been in that grinding higher range for a couple months.
Yeah, that's what we need. We need the euro to get going because the euro, well, actually, the way it's setting up this morning is not bad. Those
This is the euro. This is a 5-minute chart, I believe, or 10-minute.
Cool.
So this is pretty close.
No,
it was up there at a high at about 4 in the morning, 114.22, down to like 113.80. Yeah.
So
it's in that kind of like coming into that support area. It's probably a very good buying area, and I would think that you're going to see a lot of strength come in, and then probably push the euro back up to the 115, which will that's the key upside pivot. If it can get above 115, we're looking at 116, 117 for sure.
Yeah, some real juice. Right. Right. Yeah, I like it when it's hanging at the top.
You guys notice what's going on with the interest rate market today? Yeah, the 30-year and the 10-year are hanging on their lows, but the 2-year took off like a ridiculous bull this morning. Interesting. Complete inversion of the chart with the 2-year and the 10 and the 30-year right now going on. So there's something going on with the interest rate market. And if this holds with the 2-year, I think you're going to start to see a little move with the 10 and the 30-year, which that's going to start a currency move as well.
Can we go to the spread and see what we can do?
Yeah. If it's bullish for the bonds and for the 2-year, and that stays, then you're probably going to see the dollar turn negative again.
Right. Now, when you're saying the move, Teddy, was the 2-year, was it going down?
No, it was going up.
Up on yield?
The 10-year and the 30-year are going down right now, pressing support today. And the 2-year is rallying and making new highs.
Making new highs on yield or price?
I think he's talking about price.
On price.
Yeah. On price. That's a lower yield. Okay, yes. Right.
It's just in the futures right now.
No, I'm with you. Okay.
So that's all this morning.
Right. Oh, that's good news.
And gold is still holding its highs up there, so I think that if it's basing up there, it's going to get another leg higher, and then the dollar is going to see another break.
Yeah. Oh, big time, man. I mean, listen, I was talking with Kevin Hinks earlier. We were talking, and they floated that bond in Italy yesterday, man. They floated an $11 billion bond, and like they had 3 times the amount of people that wanted to buy it, and they were only paying 15 basis points over the bank rate. It's like, wow. So there's plenty of bread out here, man.
Sure.
It's like pretty amazing. Yen, where are we at with the yen? We're 108.70 right now.
Right now, the U.S. dollar yen looks like it wants to go higher. I think it's the Nikkei that's holding it up right now.
Yep.
Honestly, I think that's what it is. I don't think it's that the dollar is really strong against the yen. I think it's just that with the Nikkei going higher right now off the lows, it's hard to sell the yen.
Yeah. No, it looks like, it's the currency markets. Looks to me like they're going to be the drivers of the the bond markets, the driver of the currency markets. The currency markets are going to be the drivers of the equity markets. That's how it looks like we're setting up this year. So
I think so. I agree with you. Yeah. Absolutely.
Pretty wild.
Especially with you got, like I said, the gold on the highs. Tommy, what do you think about that? It looks more like it's basing and getting ready for another leg higher.
That 1365 looks like it's game, man. I mean, and that's going to be a big number, folks. Because at 1365, we've been laying in this consolidation for 6 years.
Yeah.
It's like,
Right.
Yeah,
we're pushing on not just like weekly or monthly levels with certain markets. You're looking, like you said, a yearly targets that haven't been seen in a while.
Right. No, there's no doubt. And you can, when you start putting it together with the dollar and these other currencies, it's like, hey, it totally makes sense that the dollar can pull back, metals can get some relief, as all commodities will.
Right.
I mean, that's where, you just might have a commodity nice run here, folks, coming into the spring.
Yeah.
And you guys got to think, too, that the EU is going to start to raise rates sometime between now and the third quarter. The quantitative easing is on, and then their political instability throughout the EU. I mean, Brexit aside, the EU is unstable right now.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think you want to go vacation in Paris right now.
No. Italy, though. Amalfi Coast, I'm there.
Yeah.
Totally. Yeah. Paris, no. No doubt about that, man. Well, listen, Teddy, it's always a pleasure, man. We appreciate the update. And, of course, these currencies, they just keep moving. And, folks, every trading day, you can reach Teddy at Forex-Trading-Unlocked. Hey, you stay warm, man. So it's a little chilly up in Chicago right now, isn't it?
It's cold, and it's going to get colder. We got a big winter storm coming Friday, Saturday, Sunday as well. And I'm supposed to go to Wisconsin, so I don't know, my trip might be canceled.
Are you going ice fishing? Are you going ice fishing?
Sorry?
Are you going ice fishing?
Thanks. Yeah, no, ice fishing, no. Snowmobiling, yes.
You know what?
Nice.
These guys in the Midwest, you guys are so tough, man. It blows my mind, all you guys. No, I'm not kidding. They send us pictures, right?
Sure.
Ice fishing, snowmobile I can see. Ice fishing, man.
You got to be active. You can't stay inside all
that's
winter.
pretty
We know
intense,
it. We used to go
man.
skiing,
Yeah, right.
man.
Skiing I can get. Ice
Ice
fishing.
fishing, I hear you.
Just make sure you bring plenty of brewskis with you.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, Teddy. Thanks so much, man.
Thanks so much, man. Have a great one. Have a safe
Have a
one.
great day.
You
Thanks,
too, man.
Steve.
Yeah. So, and then we get the Patriots game. So it's going to be so cold in Kansas City, folks.
AFC Championship, NFC Championship, big day of Sunday football. I think the Patriots play out there. They're the second game at about 6:40, and I think the first game's at 2 o'clock.
There's going to be a lot of jokes about that football.
Oh, yeah? Good. They got it nice and pumped up for them.
Let's go take a look at that. Hey, why don't we hit that?
Oil?
Where's that oil market
Where are we
doing?
trading at, right?
Yeah.
Where are we? There we are. A little bit of volatility, man. Give it a moment. Look at that. These are 5-minute bars. We clicked away too early, man. So we just traded from 52.38 down to 51.44. And we're back up to 51.83.
Wow. Pretty cool.
That bears trade. That would have been some nice action. Still in a positive position.
Stay right there, folks. Tommy and I are coming right back. We have the Dow up 111, NASDAQ up 21, S&P's up 12.5, gold's up 570. Come right back.